Luxury or scandal, Kejriwal's former CM residence sparks controversy again. This time, the controversy is revolving around the official residence of former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in Delhi 6 Flagstaff Road civil lines. This issue is concerned with the material items left in the houses after vacating it. The matter has been ordered for an inquiry by the Delhi Vigilance Department, and this has sparked some political war of words. What was the cause of the investigation? The inquiry got set in motion following a written complaint on November 20th by Vijendra Gupta, BJP leader and leader of the opposition in the Delhi Assembly, to the Lieutenant Governor. The complaint alleged that there was a difference in the term items taken by the Public Works Department in April 2022 and costly items after Kejriwal vacated his residence in October 2024. On December 6, the LG ordered the Vigilance Department to probe into the matter. The department thereafter directed the PWD to carry out a detailed inspection and file a report within 5 days. The allegations. Vijendra Gupta said that after April 2022, the PWD did not provide any material to the residents. He questioned who provided these expensive items between 2022 and 24 and what the beneficiaries received in return. Gupta also linked the issue to the alleged liquor policy scam. This controversy comes after prior allegations that 54 crore rupees was spent on renovating the same residence, which the BJP mockingly referred to as a palace of glass. Action by PWD and Vigilance. On December 19th, the Vigilance Department wrote to the Chief Secretary of PWD ordering an investigation. The letter explicitly stated, identify the individuals or organizations responsible for providing these expensive items to the Chief Minister's residence. Several PWD officials have already faced action in connection to this matter. Responsible AAP. The Aam Aadmi Party has labelled the accusations political. The house renovations were done following recommendations laid down by the PWD audit and sanctioned by the Finance Department. The party clarified AAP claims the opposition is attempting to tarnish Kejriwal's image through baseless accusations. Key questions raised. This controversy raises significant questions. Who supplied the expensive items between 2022 and 24 and why? Are these accusations substantiated or are they merely political mudslinging? Will CBI and Vigilance Department reveal any misdeeds? After resigning from the post of Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal vacated the house, but controversies surrounded the house have not spared him. Will they reveal concrete evidence or will this issue remain a political drama? For now, both the public and political analysts are closely monitoring the matters. Whether this is a cause of genuine misconduct or just another political stunt remains to be seen.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.